Mo stop mo one touch. Mo bro mo nua. Ade betum betum de agege bo ho anan. Ana so to one ma petu to ho. Masa. A police for no mo do sorry a nipa ni bi ho ma o mo ti da sabane am mo so fa sorry ya be keka asem ye hwe mo no mo dumi kan mo ba no ya dade no. Masa o mo ba ti o mo dem. Wonim so wonni fodi a masa dine dem. Asa no kokoto a wo anu ya be yi na ko ba bi. It's okay. Hwamra. Mu hwamra. Ejime ne doso. Nyahwe. Adai. Mama ni na ho. Akromfo na so mo mpa ba omia. Akromfo hwe bonsam ba ko befra MPP mo ho ni kwasasema odie. Ko ho se de Ghana man ni pa na gimi. Ye teme. Ono de MPP fo sika. Wo be ye MPP fo chairman. A wo na ukra MPP fo sika ni adade nyina no. Wo di sika ni nyina ko corresponder this for. What podam. And no one dear way, one phone phone. Oh, phone, so is a met to Abama, and my baby made Ghana man. My foot said, oh, catch it, one phone. Quasiano. And the people say, Uncle, my mammy to me, and Uncle was Abam so. I call a kind be actually. The carbon is a Viasimino. But none will say, you know. She.
Yo.
Mama money now. You catch your money now. No Munsian, I make an Munsia. Munsian, Munsian, the abor. The party, he picked to be a master, not the agent of crabby. And one no. But none if you ho. Simple.
Yeah,
Tum.
yeah, too.
I'm not way.
Yo. And I say, you got 6-1. I think this is the first time Michelle, but the male version of Ghana Jollof Abedu. We don't see
if voice we are my main conclude me the na see from why na me why usual 612 more why are there waka say ye pa nyame nhira woni aba ma ba e anu aba na wa be ma contribution e da se na nyina de make can say teacher for nurses kaya ye hifo amusu me pacho you me sramu me pamucha wo munim CSOs baby o offices wo munim opinion leaders baby a omo munim insole bi say Ajiasare no mo ne Duncan Williams no mo ne wo mo ekeka wa me omudi ne ye bebre munim wo nko ho ho na mo pay wo pay na ye de betu amoka no ya chicha mo so munni no nka o manu ntum afa mo ho Ghana media media stations no emu 98% omu nyina so ya towo nti sika abani betu amoka no mate say judicial whatever service whatever me na me show because enye masam ya betu amoka
judges you am come lawyers nyina judges ni lawyers
yes mo say money abre na mo kwa demonstration mo nyina mo ho mo kwa demonstration na mo sora no pakwa pentwi wose fo no mo moto ohu fako hu nkrofo so mo kwa na enye ya mo nko Jubilee House ho no mo nko ho yemfam ho edu kwasi ada na mo ko mo asole na mo ko na mo pon a except so your Presbyterian, your Methodist, Anglican, Catholic, says in Soya Casino, it's with Anaba, no money, IGC, whatever, no more. Munyama Samna making, Sansoling and Pamuchoma no swoon. But Salina Makana Musim Munyamena Mokasani, a defo be no more Makano. Uka Solini be a steady. So we a teacher near, Quasia de bay, Uka Pakacha uti, Usofo says Sofo. Ya tise ye pay wo mo ho abani ntua ye ka munko ho munye steady samanya steady na mu chiechie aso Ghana ho a na ye dwen se bibi ha mo baba wo mo lagaten ama moda ye mpe ko ka bia we yasom ewiase ni ofra papa se bone so mpa ne so da me nuanom Ghana fo enana wo ka asem na masem yetiawa wo se eden na brochirefo nyinara ye wo MPP NDC for platform bi so be kwate ye And Abroche for Canam Yang, Wakatan Broche, more support to MPP. NDC for Modi Adrianio, near Mubedin, and only him. And until a Momaya or what Tamale said, Moyas for Uncle Pedro Manye. Yan MPP for ye sippy ye sitter. Ya dear, and not tell you support to MPP because I am buying the policies. Abba, most of the amount to window in Mamma. Oh, sorry, Unquala may be a window. Emergency car, they didn't have my dream living room. So I'm and dear, what can I say? Moon Chechi, I assume to near Moshe and Amonsaka. Yet to me, Kokacha University ni say a bama ice cream every Friday. Or what to a bama? Or bad time only be the more brochant our we see. And Namnaku for the policies in tea. Ne mammy and me and sa etimiania education. Ah, Senyan a free SHS ya. Nanaku for the neighbor with me at the buy ya. Can a bound to mean school fees and money back and could or said the end or pengu conketing. Ah, na back a day or see any bomb so a babam. Timon come on tomb. Mo president in Obejina when you man not top pad, not the Korean, no so, not the Korean. Yes! And the free education, ye chum, the fried rice is ready. Yeah? Free education, ye chum. It is a brochure for your support to MPP. No. And you dear four and answer four. Ni pair bo mine in my shan to ye pa. Ni about bo my what's be mu four. And no MPP are buying the back. Na ningina twamua ama omampuntuo ni omankoso enu nti na ya support to MPP NDC ba mimi support to abanya woja education ho oja healthcare ho oja agenda 111 ho na what time 3 trillion momo di ni mame na me kwa sika no mo kana me I do go to pad. Ah, sa pad no. In Kasa hospitals agenda 111. A bit me a complete a moebia 2025. Not such a government who said mimi medinechi. Ah, miniam. Dabio. Ye mediachi because ye too quino. Ye niati. Ya be shie ni buye. Ya be who send obroni bune mine. Obroni education. Welfare. Health. And ye very important. And systems in places. Mon pesa ya de systems be bo mine. No mine systems are mem. Na systems are ma in places. Na education are ma. Na healthcare ma. O mine me so nyina so wo hin. Woni nyina so. Enti ene ye ka kire mo. Mon kama no ntum. Mo enjoy the mo vote for. Mon so mo bo fu ye. Say ye nkoto aba. Ya didi ajaye kotodwe gu fom mo de menuanom nem me pa mo chawa srem mo de abufuo nanso otwe behu bofuo behu enti ne ebesra ne sei mo nyina kama komanto mo yam achia ne muye na delegate nso ye pa mo chawo yes ya papa doctor eni so ade ho aye broche for ye se ya behu no wonu kwando wo se animdie no ono so no nyankopon de na ayi Ghana ye ba bia ye dui ni obetimi move oban no akonanim safwa no ekura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ono na nyansa abo ne be nimdi abo ne be efiri se santoto ya ne ba akomienu se ye makwan na delegate de ye nim se bokwa de moyi na wie nti na ase na ye de mamu na oba what the san shishaye ni gu akwan mu anu na bema Ghana akona nim afa ne ntoma pefra enti mesra mo delegate munti na doctor eba wate oba benya adwuma oyire benya adwuma nso benya adwuma obia bedidi na MPP base besan be strong voice right. Of MPP me da say me the man me nya ma Mary munyina see before you talk me ja munyina ho me ma munyina ha mamwadwo Yebessentia. Bye.
That's it. And the brochure for 1% more part of the 29th and then 30th. No, why woman now waiting sending me a picture? Now the air flyer. Why? 29th and 30th. Diaspora Connect. Okay, see before you talk. 5 minutes.
Yo, honorable, good afternoon.
Afternoon, bro.
Micha, I can't say with Dr. Baomiani, Minia, Oka, anyone Casa host, and I feel over any pa 82 or Muti Wina, Joe Bibia, Miss Ranchra, any Amodin, Edema, Ubibia, or support to you, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, says any pano Yankopon, Inshiran. Na onkoswa entono nkwanem na mawie no na me konisi. I think say me hu video bi a ekere say nkofo bi achiye nua infante comedy aye no say ne omakoma pe ti say ya hu se Ghana no obi atimi di tumi ehye ne nsem eya ne ope nti me fasa akonya we so aka kire obi bi a wo ye MPP ni na uye wo TikTok asi ya ukasa de ma MPP unama onso enante kwa boa ho because on na ye team no ye ne ye kansen awudifo aneti into onso unama omai opese otra omai bi mu awo hotowa ese wo prepare bia wonam bia prepare say tuo na ese o de se ho afase ho na de ne fananti say yes kan afase ho say ye jan afase ho say wutimi ye ho ayi bia say o ye den o protect o what I say ubi bia o protect ho because of security media me de bia meka me se wonama wo ye MPP ni a na wo ti sa NDC fo amamwo we mu akopem 2028 enante kwa fa bibi sha wo ho ukosie obi no ye gogwa fa within card man ba kom ye no miensa no no wo se jana no ohia wonam ho no ma onipa no close ro se wo den wo ba wo nchen basa tumi ne nkuta nipa ba akofo o man Ghana na ye nyina ye dia ana nkofo bi team mu no omudi nkwasi asem and na danko akofo ado aban so obi anu okofa asekan obi anu okofa atu obi anu okofa ajan obi anu otre ne nsa wo obi aso because yenim se obi e kana adwene enti ade enti na wo de aba na obi ka eno krampo no ade na ye ka ho asem onipa ne ka ho asem enye na wo de ba ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ana wo de ba ye ana wo kire se Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia electrical cars okokra ba ye no ene na ye di NDC John Dramani Mahama e de ne picture abobo ho a wo de nam krom eye ne ho se de one na de aba we eye aba abo we eye nse kantwe we eye so trobo enti ya de yen ka hweye yanka hwe because ensem bi wono ne ye ba be kan wa hanom a e bia ya ban ne be ban ne yentimi ankwankwa ye ya dofo anase ye nkonfo nya be ka se na mo moti social media na so na mo kasa gbagbagba se na mo nya mema but ye de ye say akwa bi na kan ye nye hu but ye kwese e wo ye tirim ye kwese e wo ye tirim enne na NDC aba into obi aso ye be ma wo man ni mu enya hwe ye be kan ya no atom na nyankopon ya dom na 2028 yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia so afena nim no swai na o man ni nyina gitum sampa one na ye president a saabre no ani ye behwa se tumi wo hoi e kasa ana tumi wo hoi enkasa ena de ye nka hwenkire obi o enka hwe media me se de omo ya no kro omo nya ne mo omo pekura omo fatuo emo bobobo ye nyina no omo nkunyan eno de ebe hu so ma ya de na de omo ye de asa agro no mudi wusia ni pana na nka won ka chense wona wonam na wudi nkwase asem sisie ni yempese obedi nkwase asem bi enti ene ye yiwa fro no abo ni tuo pe wotwetwa nse kan wo kuno eno na Ghana fo nyina be hu se wo ye be ma wa ya de na de mu ye de asa agro na mudi na wotu nsa de bo obi anu aye den enipa no wankuno One pamonano, one yenano, one yen and I, stand now or 9 no dia. Me man won't mean come on tomorrow. Never. Obia no bet me a command, including John Dramand, mamma, and point me come on because I know the mammy. I know the mammy. Nyankopon na de ma me se me mfankasa nti se aduru bress se me de kasa na me de kon na me de je me man na me de me man si wonom esi ba bia ye mfa ye man ne nkoto ba bia ho senke ye mfa ye man ne nkoto ba bia honom esei ye mfa ye man ne nkoto ba bia honom hia na emum ye beje ye man ne si wo nti omo de sei omo be so aye niam hunu aye niam tantan ye de ye nka hwe nkyere obi o na mpanimfo ne bo bi se ada ben ne bebom se paano saa da ne ebehu a Kristofo saa da ne ebehu Ghana for 2028 and ebehu the rare Ghanaians and the fake Ghanaians o man mu ba saa time na mo bi megina bonten e ma meka se o na MPP for boys e si se de mo ye no e ya bro so da bi si se ya ye ti o man ni ma ye hu ohene se ohene kasa ye hu se sofo bi kasa ye hu se I can say security bi a ye adwuma no mon kama no ntum ne anso ye nyi adwuma ye ble ne so a mom ye nyi adwuma me mpese oba bi ba gina na o MPP for munya botre munya dabi ye duru anu na o ye ma me kura na obeka sa asem na me fire o am akopa oba bi aden ada because ene de ekoso no hu bi wuti bi wa hu kura wote ye ana nipa ne so aye bu no ye nipa o ye nipa te se de ono so ye nipa ne bi nti ene ye de ye pese ensem ene ye di nsem hunu e de kire Ghana fo no mu bi dia ye de ye nka hwe 2028 ewo ha ne e kan say America kura ye den yara se nante ne ye nante akọ no ma ye den ebedu sani achechedie mpo etimi wiawia na otimi twa kwansini baako kwansini mienu kwansini miensa no na what about yen nipa yetimi nanti etimi tumrika ani yentimi ntenem ye betenem but still now ye be fight ye be koso akasa yen kan ya no ntum da meme adum pizza te de me ma tumi wasu se etise miti no ayira enya yira de ne mini ano ba yira mpa me saman ebe koso akasa me moja be koso akasa de am man Ghana because yen kan ya no ntum yenye din emma nkofo bi mfa omo nsa mebubo Ghana sikanim emfa omo nsa mebubo Ghana japadie mu no mu ni ne yekeka ho asem omo so mbebo yen ene de omo be koso abokan bi because yenya ya no aka me de he opa abo me kura me emoja kura ntumi na me hotom ya mesa babaye because me ye frame ya ebichenchina twan me o de se obi oni ma me bia ni obusa me ma me pa obeka kire o eya akwasi one de chinchina twan o dabi sana me life tie nti enne mo de mo ye na ye nti ye de ye na nya na mo se mbabu ye nka hwenkyere mo de mo yen na brene nsudu a ebetene na se tumi ne tene na hoden ne bebedi mi nsemu a ehwo no ne ebefra kokosa lolo me se nipa befra kokosa lolo me se John Dramani ma makro ye president no de no kwate boto be nante abontimi donyame mo passe mo ya me kan mo fanse be bi ensunka yan konkora no so no maka se bia we mu do mo yankora ye attack panimfo na nkasa no mo be mbetena o ma konwa no so no mo di o man na bro no wo mo ne be attack wo mo ankasa
yo me da say
handle wo be bro mo nan ka fom ye be so mo pe chi te se de ya che kronfo ne be bo mo se wi ne apa mo se kronfo ye mfa ni wo mo agro
yo me da say
ya no so ntum ne enke ya no ntum china yan yesi MPP still MPP and MPP nso na betimi ayo man ni and this timinye twe and this by within one year abro 1 year and so yan hwe wa ye bibi papa bia wo man nim de wo ho say president the party akojira baby obo no acheste no ahead no wo piapia akọ and no na president by wonim ye na wo se ene de ye ka ho asem no wo se ye nya aka na yenka ya ntum na de odi free SHS problem wo man kura no wo want me anka nchiro nkofo so mo nkoma ntum ba so man no
edu me da say
nti the American de man wasi nyina ne say that MPP delegate 31st January ya and 2 weeks papa na 31st na so ne ye koto aba mesere wo kwa prepare wo kokrumutini kama nefa kotoma Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia oda no matre oje ballot paper na esoro e form oda mfimfin ba bia wo be fa bia bo se Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ne picture ne bo hogan montoma no me lead MPP ne emfa MPP nkobo chasa asem so nam nim say Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia 2028 ye pe the incoming president ne Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia 2029 obeye president e dia mamu papa dia ba be se John Dramani Mahama adwunim na ma John Dramani Mahama de ne kote boto na ante Ghana asase so am obi ehu eno ane ye ba be ye no Ghana asase so be da asemia se wo ma na konya na mso de kasa nyame hira
Edum, thank you also for the good work you are doing for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yeah, me who live, Charlie. We are there. We shall for Nkoko.
Boy Juma papa what is solution mo nyina nyame hira mo o boy Juma
Yeah, support you. Auntie Mary.
me family last of me shima who
Pasada.
God girl, me no never pon.
What?
Ebusiamfo na ma boy so we need data. Why? Enti me number na screen so no. We want data, wait me send me data. Last of this
data de me be no ho akere no boy.
Yeah, easy mommy. Yeah, easy. You see me school fees no. My school fees here too no. Almost to more 30% to enti my share. I feel we just 8,000. Oh, what I mean name. So kra last of this send me 100 gig data top from
Oh,
UK.
data they say a bit to me.
Me number na screen so no. Wow, what is the data so the bomb probably me say me da say. Auntie Mary. Yes, auntie.
The attract to nyina ne say asem no na wie nyina ne say. Ankopon boa ne etim kona bone bi ankan ayekoto aba. MPP delegate yesremo madawruma. Kasa ye kata nyina muntia yesremo yepamochew. Dr. Bawumia say ensure obi mfun so a waye ho ne nkoto aba ntia no. Yesremo won hwe Nyankopon anim. Na mo hwe Dr. Bawumia suban ne yoye na brabo ni su said you sit nyame suro woni mu no odo a wo magana ene MPP party na nyame boa na wotwemienu sene on the 31st of January nkoto abama no si ebetimi agi tumi ni biem efra wudifo we mu nsemu a agi se Dr. Bawumia yes remo yepa mo chow na wotwemienu sene mu mie mesu mu mie fa white handkerchief emehim nyemeda nyame ase na enkunimdie ne si ebeba 2029 on the 7th of January ebeso Dr. Yina ebefra se na awotwemienu sene yesremo delegate yepamocho bebri monya yadom number 3 on the ballot paper sorry and a Dr. Da 1 2 3 and a 5 4 3 ehwa mudru hwa na de onsa no etim so na minim say Dr. Bawumia na mamu no eno na beye fe ache amamu bia wo Ghana nti yesremo mamu disappoint ye mamu hu ye nimu ase mama ye bre ne ye kasa yi enye kwa mummi enyi tribalism ne nto nchan wo firi ha no emmoa ye nimdie ne nyansa urade de adom no mummi ama no kwan wo fa me bo Ghana voice with us.
Thank you, Auntie Mary. Yeah, so finally, our last guest, God girl, let's hear you. Thanks for waiting.
Nti ye no kakra me pese me kan se ne se ma Mary aka say delegates yesrem Monshe all the 5 aspirants no I believe said deep down within Obiano, whether conscious or subconscious, you know who can be a leader for the New Patriotic Party.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter the radicality of a person, or it doesn't matter the meekness of a person. Dr. Bawumia is not weak. He is not a weak person.
At all.
Only weak person. Say yasha die bia aspirant ni na sha sie se omo call omo yi ne ye omo campaign no. Ye na se ye beka no kre pa ma ye ho a. We all ye ni na ye be hu the weak people among the aspirants. Dr. Bawumia is not a weak person.
Yeah.
Nipa for the past 16 years, ye di na temu nti se wabebie na no aka asemfon akere obi. When you are dealing with such a character, also you're very careful. You have to be very careful. Eye den na nipa 5 no kwa na obi ani sano. You have to ask yourself that question. Eye den no kwa na obi nipa kogina ba bia na Bawumia di ade na Bawumia waye. Bawumia was a vice president. He was a vice. He wasn't the president. No one voted for Bawumia from 2016 to time and another time. No, we never voted for Dr. Bawumia. He was appointed as a vice president. Enti wambe president wa Ghana. And to say nipa we even with that no kran, look at his initiative. Say what dem man now person will send this car. First bottom fan and send o kon ho say they call bank. At the comfort of your home no now why the person we. That is what is happening there. Enti adenti na Ghana de yempe bibisa. Anke ya ka say US de where de ne hefa na ko say Trump chiche pad. Trump Yen Ghana for no cry ye kope mua wa other country. Other countries na ye kope mua wo omu hono. Omu kuro omu chiche pad. Omu chiche pad. Je Ghana na jisi ye komo obi pad. Enti yen starting che pad na emano omu yima omu nya pad na. Sharing of pad cannot be an initiative. How long can this be? Sa pad no cry mochen. Is it sustainable? Is it sustainable? Is it something that you can sustain? And the free education into uko fie bie ma obetimi anya akra at least they can read and can write. E ma nkola no monam street so esoteye. And I heard they say some of the senior high school no omuchia PTA sika ne ade. I believe said that was what teacher for ni bininagrad that was what they wanted to do. Enti ene oma ban na aba so they are happy with that. Adentina as a teacher, we are Jumana Bosumi Yechia Oka. Now I just say yes, I come out PTA Sekwajidi. Aden, you saw all the professions and you chose whatever you wanted to be. And to dear baby, Ghana Ninkwana aya dear man, I just saw money envelope. We are dear ma bronia. It's just a cup of tea and nothing more. You can't give them money. They don't need your money. And so be need just all money envelope now when we say any wabuano. Nti na asofofo envelope akese ene ye de be ma omunti omuhuyum okra omusi and the Lord said, what did the Lord say? What did the Lord say? I believe he said MPP ko opposition na no ye mpanimfo bi ka ho. They are part of it. And they were in bed with NDC and NDC and they are showing them where they are supposed to be. Politics, no, if you are not on my side, I don't know you. That's how politics is. But that doesn't mean say we are enemies. We can't be enemies because we are all Ghanaians. And okochu obi no abono, okochu obi no aye ni say, e wiasem nipa e nam ho na nya obi a na ye ni bibi fa ye ho di o. Enti se esoma o se koyi obi bibi na so obekwa akoya. Sa de kro na ankanwa, who say you have what generation, ebeka omo. Enti nipa bia yesuma say yesi kwachi fanti comedy kobo no akobo ko yesi no akoyesi no. Do you know what awaits you? Do you know what? And I mean, fans say, "Oh, bu ni na bibi kesiesi ya." Why you? Ya suma say sika kra ne de ma wa sika no wudia ebesa. What next? Can we be a bit civilized as Ghanaians? We have to be civilized as Ghanaians. And now kwa other countries we are Ghana ni kra you who say only other African we or kanu kre pe because of you your politicians be mu suban a enyenti. Sami Jemfi in opposition say wo be na no ka asema fa Dr. Bawumia ho a ase ne ba no. And na ye ka asema wo se me yenka na aye hwan Sami Jemfi. Who are you? Who ye hwan? Sa opportunity na wanya aka so bi a Ghana na nya opportunity anka aka se baby omo no omo bewo. And na yemfa Ghana bibia ma mo. Momfa ni na mu wu a momfa ngu adakam na momfa nko. Momfa ni na. Senka nipa anka no obefa Ghana Japade ene nka Kwame Nkrumah ni jeje mu die nko mo fa bibia koyo. But today where are they? They are no more. Enti ene ade a nipa wo ye bia no, it won't last forever. We are travelers on this earth. It won't last forever. Enti se wo ye obi bibia, you have to think about it very well. Na primaries kakra MPP fo beko, obi mana no so Osibamia say, Samira say, ni edi atemi aden. Edie be nko na aba. What has happened? Is it the first time my MPP Luciana? What has happened? We have to unite. Se nipa no so a wo hye a on penka bomu no. Ye primaries ni wi a wo de won kɔ na ba bi opese okɔ. Na se mate sa ala ne keka nsɛm bi. Okeka nsɛm bi se MPP ho nya akɔ no. Your mama see Alan Trematin as a weak person. You are very weak. He is not a leader. He is not a leader. Nanado Dankwa. Make I say I was an allied health professional. First, we allied health professional, now we a degree. They will not post you. You will not be posted. They were posting diploma and certificates. 2016, backlog and Nanado ne clear sa backlog no. He was the one that did that. Cafes who we a degree, I just a diploma. And so Nanado came to clear degree for a DB no onyamo. DB ye fa teachers be bring to degree DB mupana na MPP for was a ye magana for manye. Debia will be your horse MPP sune. Whether you want to, if you want to leave the MPP, just leave. Na ko baby apesok say NDC na also opa ko go and owe allegiance to your mama and his folks. He will not be the president of Ghana forever. He will leave. He will not stay there forever. And power will change. And to delegate for next 2 weeks, Dr. Baumia so Odamase pasa matuamano. Odamase, we are going with Baumia. All the other candidates, they can wait. Intimate the voice.
Thank you so much for staying with me, God girl. Ebusian Fanama, can say you can help with data, and I say Mumu on the line that is on the screen, and that's also my WhatsApp number. If you want to share any information with me, you want to stay in touch, that is my WhatsApp number. Just DM me, and then let's have a conversation. Thank you all so much for joining, and all our guests. Thanks to all who have been with me from the very beginning, all who power tapped and all. Mikael say 29th and 30th Diaspora Connect live. I'm trying to see say Minyaskabia. I would try and then and make it live also on one radio station.